So our short review for the Rinnai B26 and the Rinnai Infinity 26. The same principle applies to the 16 and the 20 models. They're both the same system. If looks aren't an issue for you, the white one does look nice, and it's true. It looks cleaner and so forth. And maybe you've done a renovation and that's important to you. You spent a lot of money on your reno. For $250, you're happy with the white one. That's fine, that's great. I'm happy. But just so you understand, the functionality of these two systems are equal. They both produce 26 litres a minute hot water at 25-degree increase over cold. I explain this a lot more detail later, how you can work out whether this is suitable for you, one of these systems. Having said that, they both use the same amount of gas in a tested environment under the same test as all the hot water heaters go through, continuous flow. These produce exactly the same to the button energy usage. They both use the same amount of gas at any one time when they're working through their greatest potential. So what are the differences really? The price is different. It's $250 more. If that doesn't matter to you, then great. The Rinnai looks nice, great. This one here is ordinary looking, but quite often the hot water heater is on the side of the house that no one ever goes to. So if that doesn't matter to you, well then this one is exactly the same as this one when it comes to its working ability. So that's pretty much my short review. Stick around if you want. There's a lot more detail as to when you should buy a continuous flow hot water heater, whether it's a Rinnai or it's a Rim or whatever the case is. There are some times when it's actually not a good decision to buy. I'm very pro Rinnai and pro continuous flow, but there are some times that I will probably talk my customers out of installing one of these systems. Not because there's something wrong with them, it's just that they're not suited for every situation. I'll explain that a little bit later. There's also some other things that I'll explain in the long explanation of these systems when it comes to the warranty. They both have a 3-year parts and labour warranty. That is the only warranty you need to be concerned about. People talk about this 25 and 15-year warranty. I'll go into detail in the long review. So if you have any questions, drop them in the bottom in the box and the comments, and I'll try to answer them for you as soon as I can. Otherwise, just hang in there and we'll move on into the long review comparison of these two systems and work out whether this system is actually right for you.